Here's a Hunter 1911 Mission, I think. I got this from Peterson when I went to Ohio. Me and a couple friends were helping him clear out his place some. And we took probably about half his collection with. And this was part of it. But I want to make this video in real quick just so I can take it down. I know that in the past I've taken several fans down. I didn't make any videos of them. But yeah, anyway. I like the design, but I'm hugely disappointed in its performance. And you guys see here in a hot second. Here's low. I'll start off with. It's got a nice aesthetic low, kinda. It's like borderline. Medium. It's gonna start making a whole bunch of noise here in a minute. And that's the reason why I'm taking this thing down. High. Sounds like bamboo sticks. Threw a Casablanca chain on it because it's one of these wannabe type things. But yeah, I like the look of it. Deeply disappointed in the performance, like I said. So yeah, that's it, and until next time.